Assalamu alaikum to all the dear students of grade 8. How have you been, girls? I am your familiar teacher, Miss Shazina, and I'll be taking your Pakistan study this year. Girls, do you all have purchased a book of Pakistan studies? Yes, that's very nice of you, girls. When you open the book, you see 11 lessons in them and you find it quite boring, but we are not going to study all these lessons this year. I'm going to divide 11 lessons into two grades. Half lessons you will study in grade 8 and half of the lessons you will study in grade 10. So girls, are you ready? Are you with your books? So come on, open the very first page of your books and come to the contents of the book. So what are the contents of the book? The contents of the books include 11 chapters. So girls, Zarnan, Shifa, Dua, Iman, Safa, Nimra, just keep your pencil in your hand and mark the sections in your book. The contents of the book is divided into history, geography and civics. In history, we would be studying ideological basis of Pakistan, making of Pakistan, and constitutional development of Pakistan. What are the next lesson, girls? The next lessons are land and climate of Pakistan, resources of Pakistan, industrial development in Pakistan. Are you getting, girls? Sumaira, Momina, Nimra, and I am so sorry if I can't catch the name of a few students. So do tell me in messages, "Ki teacher, you missed my name." Maliha, what are the next lessons? They are population of Pakistan, the culture of Pakistan. You have read in your earlier classes, and education in Pakistan. Now let's talk about the civic portion of the book. In the civic section of the book, we're gonna read the last two lessons of the book, and they are number 10 is Pakistan as a welfare state, and whereas when we talk about the last lesson of the book, it is chapter number 11, the civic life of Pakistan. So I have briefed you about the chapter. Now quickly come to the first page of the book and we start our first lesson. So our first lesson is about ideological basis of Pakistan. Now girls, who is going to tell me what is the reason for achieving Pakistan, or what was the chant that has led to the creation of Pakistan? Can anyone tell me? Momina, Rumesa, Aman, Dua, Shifa. Yes, here comes the answer. Yes, Pakistan का मतलब क्या? La ilaha illallah. And who is our leader? Muhammad and Allah. So our leaders are Rasul of Allah and Allah. And the meaning of Pakistan is La ilaha illallah. This is the ideological basis of Pakistan. Now let us learn what this ideology is. What is teacher talking about ideology and ideology? Hai na, Malia, you must be thinking, Iman, Rumesa, Zarnan, Safa, Nimra. So ideology. The word ideology is French in origin. That is, this word has come from French language in the 18th century. My dear students, this word is a combination of two words. That is ideos and logos. The word ideos mean ideas, whereas the word logos means study. So the word ideology is a combination of two words, ideas and study. So you can simply say that ideology is the study of ideas. Let me describe you what does we mean by about when we talk about ideology. When we talk about ideology, it's mean we are talking about the concepts and the vision. Now what is the concept of Pakistan? The concept of Pakistan was given to us by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Yes, girls, do you remember who was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Yes, he was a man with a thick beard and the red hat. He was the first person who used the word nation for the Muslim, whereas the word vision, that is the vision of Pakistan, was given to us by Allama Iqbal. And what do we call Allama Iqbal? Yes, the painter of Pakistan. You girls are very smart indeed. So Allama Iqbal, in his presidential address in Allahabad, Allahabad is a place in India, he has given us the vision of Pakistan. So collectively, the concept and the vision make up the ideology of Pakistan. Is it clear to you, girls? After learning about the ideology of Pakistan, the next topic that we're gonna study is the sources and the contents of ideology in our next class. For now, you're gonna make the title page of ideological basis of Pakistan in your register and write the definition of ideology as I have shared here. So what is the definition of ideology? A set or collection of beliefs, values, customs, aims, tradition, and ritual, which is common to all members of a society and it is expressed in the lives of all members of that society. सिंपल वर्ड्स में अगर मैं आपको इसका मीनिंग बताऊं तो सेट का मतलब होता है ग्रुप, जिसके अंदर हम बहुत सारी चीज़ों को ज्वाइन करके रखते हैं जो एक जैसी होती हैं। तो जब हम पाकिस्तान की आइडियोलॉजी की बात करते हैं तो पाकिस्तान की आइडियोलॉजी वो सेट है जिसमें हमारा बिलीव, और हमारा बिलीव क्या है? सफ़ा, ज़नहैन, दुआ, कि हम सब मुसलमान हैं। हमारी वैल्यूज़ क्या हैं? कि हमें अपने बड़ों का अदब करना है एंड वी हैव टू लव आवर यंगर्स। इसी तरह हमारे कस्टम, हमारे मकासद, यानी कि हमें आखिरत की तैयारी करनी है। हमारे 2 ही फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं और हमारी क्या रसूमात हैं जो हम सब मेंबर्स ऑफ सोसाइटी के अंदर कॉमन है और हमारे वे ऑफ लिविंग में भी नज़र आती हैं। तो इसे हम कहते हैं डेफिनेशन ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी, यानी कि दिस इज़ द आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान। सो गर्ल्स, यू गोना राइट दिस डेफिनेशन इन योर रजिस्टर. Do not copy the Urdu part that I have written here. It is just for your good understanding. If you find any word difficult, so you can read that word in Urdu, but you can also ask me in the message. So in the next class we will be learning about the contents and sources. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson and learn a lot. See you in the next class. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.